All right, so after you get all that back on, you can put your exhaust down. As you can see, I've got a Fab Speed Cross X pipe, so it's really easy. Put these straps on right there. They go back on. The biggest thing is to make sure you connect your catalytic converters to your exhaust. I had to put some lube on it because I couldn't get these sleeves to go back on. I mean, this thing already has 50,000 miles on it. She's worked harder than any other car that I know. So, yeah. While you're here, check your bolts. Check any other connections on the turbos if you want to. I mean, this is, since you're down here, might as well check it all out. But yeah, exhaust goes on. These little guys get tightened up right here. This is a 10 millimeter right there. And these bolts are 15 millimeters. And I'm just gonna tighten them up. You're gonna have to retighten them again after you're done with one track day, just because they expand during heat. So you wanna make sure they're all nice and tidy. But yeah, this is solid, it's holding on nicely. Again, engine mounts are back there, right up there, and right up there. If you wanna drop this thing by an inch, it's really, really easy. Disconnecting it is a different story, because then you gotta be careful so it doesn't sit on the transmission. But you know, you live, you learn. So yeah, all right, let's continue. Now next step is gonna be to put on the top, to put on the air box. So the air box goes right here. These are the, some kind of sound actuators that blow engine music into your cabin from both sides, left and right. So these attach right here on these two screws to the air box, which is this thing. So yeah, that's the next step.